Good evening everyone. This is Harpreet as a math teacher. Dear students, I hope you all are good and fine and completed the previous one chapter revision as the chapter number 6 we have completed already. And today we will start the chapter number 11 as a construction revision. This chapter already we have done as into the COVID-19 the chapter this chapter topic as a similar triangle. To construct the similar triangle, that topic is cut off, and we will do the revision of the division of the line segment, and one is how to draw the tangents. So firstly we will do the revision of the division of the line segment. Here the measurement it is given AB is equal to 5 centimeter and divide into the 3:2. So into the part this one ratio we have to find out. So as you remember this one thing, we have completed already this part. As if there is given line segment as AB is equal to 5 centimeter, with the help of the compass we are drawing this part as any acute angle. One acute angle we have to draw on this part. Okay, so let this part is as a AX. Okay, and then with the help of the compass we have to take equal to the parts here as the given ratio. It is given 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So 5 parts we will do. So here is the first one part, it is first, this one is a second part, then third one, fourth, and this one is a fifth part. So we are giving the name as A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. So this point is joined. This already we have done into the video session. So we will join it by the B. Now we will draw a one line as a, firstly we will draw one angle here. The same angle we will draw on the part of, first part it is given 3. So on the third part we will draw a one angle. So here is, now compare this one angle here up to this part. This angle measurement is this one. So parallel line we will do. So on this part here is this. So we will join by the A3 and let it meet the AB as a C part. So we can see here as A to A3 these are the 3 parts, and A3 to A5 these are the 2 parts. So this implies these two lines we are drawing the parallel lines. So this implies this is into the 3:2. Are you remember about how can we do with the justification? Justification is, as already we have, here is by the BPT theorem. What is the BPT theorem? As into the one triangle ABC, any one line is parallel to the another one line as D is parallel to the then these two ratios as AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. These ratio will be equal. Now you can see into the construction here we have drawn A3 to C line and A5 to B line. This is parallel to each other. So in the triangle we will write here A5 B. In this triangle we have A3C line is parallel to A5B. It is parallel. So this implies A to A3 ratio with the A3 to A5 is equal to the ratio of AC upon CB. Now we know that this is the part as a 3 parts are there. So we can write here 3, and this is the 2 parts are there. So AC upon CB, these ratios are AC ratio CB is equal to 3:5, 3:2. Okay. Similarly, if there is another method, let us try with the same another one method with the same concept. What we have to do, we will draw the same line segment as here will be the AB is equal to 5 centimeter we will do. Then with the same as one acute angle we will draw on the one side. Suppose here is a AX, this one, same measurement angle, this one, same measurement we will draw this one angle. Here will be like as this opposite part. Okay, how much measurement is this one? You can see this measurement is into the compass you can see here as this one here. Okay, so this same measurement we will cut off on the B point also. So we will join with the B, and so this implies these are the two alternate angles are equal, and this implies AX is parallel to the BY. AX ray is parallel to the BY ray. These two lines will be parallel to each other. Now with the help of the compass we will draw downside three equal parts with the first one A1, A2 and A3. On the other hand side also with the B point, here is a B1 and this one is a B2. So let us write the name here A1, A2, A3 and here is B1 and B2. We will join the third part with the second one, as we have to draw the ratio as 3:2. So we will join these two parts. Okay, A third is joined to the A2. So let this point is C. So we approach here AC ratio CB is equal to 3:2. In the construction you have to write with the same points, these one, as AB draw as a 5 centimeter. With the help of the compass here as a angle BAX is equal to ABY. Then these angles are equal, and then on the one side on the AX take the 3 equal parts, and on the BY take the 2 equal parts. Then join A3 to the B2. So AB is divided into the 3:2. How can we go with the justification? We will show that these two triangles are into the similar way as ACA3. ACA3 is similar to the triangle B2C. B, C and B2. Let us see here how these are similar, because here we have taken already angle 1 and angle 2. These two are equal to each other. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. By construction we have taken this is equal, and here is a angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by the vertical opposite angle. So we can say these two triangles are congruent by the angle criteria. Okay, so these two triangles are similar, so this implies their ratios are equal. AA3 upon BB2 is equal to AC upon CB. So this part is equal to 3 and this part is equal to 2. So AC upon CB is equal to 3:2. I hope you understood the justification also. If you have any query, then you can ask me. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.